A dramatic twist has emerged in the inquest into the death of Rex Masai after the Independent Policing Oversight Authority investigating officer Justin Nyatete told court on Thursday that fresh analysis of photographs and CCTV footage now points to a specific police officer as the man seen firing at fleeing protesters during the June 2024 anti-finance bill demonstrations. This comes 2 days after Nyatete told the same court that IPOA could not identify the officer who fired the bullets. NTV's Susan Waweru reports.
Just 2 days after IPOA's principal investigator Justin Nyatete told the court that investigators could not conclusively identify the officer who fatally shot Rex Masai, the watchdog now says new evidence obtained after the initial file was submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions has significantly altered its findings.
Have they been helpful?
During re-examination in Milimani Law Courts on Thursday, Nyatete told Chief Magistrate Joyfrey Onsarigo that photographs captured by journalists and CCTV footage reviewed enabled the authority to identify an officer seen firing directly at demonstrators who were fleeing the scene.
Before we got the photographs and the CCTV footage, the only piece of evidence that we had was the CCTV footage from Absa Bank.
This individual that you are able to now identify, who is it?
The individual that we were able to identify is Corporal Isaiah Murangiri.
Nyatete further testified that although investigators never recovered the firearm used, ballistic evidence or the fatal bullet, records from the Police Arms Movement Register confirmed that Corporal Isaiah Murangiri had been issued with equipment on the day Rex Masai was shot.
The Arms Movement Register indicated on 20th, Corporal Isaiah Murangiri was issued with a tear gas launcher. Whereas in the photograph that was taken along Uhuru Highway on 20th, the same individual is captured without a launcher. And in the CCTV footage, the same individual is captured pursuing demonstrators with a small firearm. It is not a launcher.
The court also heard that investigators sought 3 firearms for ballistic examination, the cartridge or the bullet head, but only 2 were submitted, which did not help in the investigations. Nyatete adds that the 3rd firearm has never been surrendered despite requests from investigators. He further accused some police officers of frustrating investigations, saying statements recorded from key officers were either unhelpful or misleading.
Your Honor, I would wish to state that we recorded the statement of Corporal Isaiah Murangiri, who misled the investigation. In his statement, he stated that on 18th June 2024, he was not on duty.
Following the testimony, lawyers representing the National Police Service made a dramatic application urging the court not to allow IPOA to close its case. The lawyers argued that critical witnesses had not testified and important evidence had not been examined.
We need to get arms movement register from Kamkunji Police Station, Kilimani Police Station, KICC, Kilimani Police Station, Parliament Police Station, KICC. We believe that when all these are called, it's only then that we have a final conclusion.
You've been told by Counsel for the Law Society of Kenya a very strange statement that the court must balance the truth.
But IPOA opposed the application, accusing the National Police Service of attempting to delay proceedings and arguing that the evidence now before court is sufficient for recommendation to be made to the Director of Public Prosecutions.
the law does not require an inquest to be proved beyond the point of infinity, Your Honor.
With the EPOA saying it has identified the officer who fired the bullet that killed Rex Masai, and the National Police Service demanding more evidence be collected, all eyes are now on the court, which is set to rule on July 30th whether the inquest will be closed or more witnesses will be presented. Susan Oweru, NTV, from Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.